XINENZE Building Materials Company Limited is located in China and is a leading company in the field of metal ceilings and wall systems. After more than 16 years of development, XINENZE has a high-quality scientific research team. We are committed to research and development and promotion of new green building materials. In 2010, XINENZE products obtained ISO 9001 International Quality System certification. In 2015, XINENZE was awarded the top 10 brands in China's ceiling industry. At the same time, we have a number of invention patents and utility model patent certificates. XINENZE has a design deepening team of 20 people and a production team of more than 120 people, with strong deepening design capabilities and factory processing technology. We always put the interests of our customers in the first place. We have the courage to meet the challenges and break through the limits, and turn the seemingly impossible design concepts into reality. XINENZE factory covers an area of nearly 25,000 square meters. As one of the first workshops in the industry to realize the implementation of digital production management and achieve a monthly sales volume of 300,000 square meters of production level. Thanks to our excellent production system, our employees have senior working experience and the advanced equipment. We can realize high precision production, all of which provide a solid guarantee for the quality of our products since 2015. XINENZE has been actively involved in overseas exhibitions and county fairs, with more than 1,000 projects widely distributed around the world, covering public buildings, commercial complexes, hotels, and high-end residential areas. XINENZE has won the trust of many famous enterprises such as Baidu, Wanda, and Ali with its excellent quality. XINENZE's brand value with the length of time continues to strengthen, attracting a large number of cooperative agents to join us. The brand regional protection, regular training, and many other rights and interests have been recognized by the cooperative agents. In the future journey, XINENZE Limited will continue to uphold the concept of professionalism, innovation, and environmental protection and bring more surprises to customers around the world. With strong team strength and excellent product quality, join hands with XINENZE to create a better future.